A person who conquers a country for his sisters. Sayyid and one who marries his own sister are equal. 3 great events that took place on the 6th of Ramadan. Islamic History episode number 69. Today, on the 6th of Ramadan, 3 great events in the world of Islam took place, 2 of which, the cries of Muslim women happened. The first great feat took place in Ramadan 9286 when a letter from an oppressed Muslim woman from the dark land of Sindh reached the Caliph. At that time, the king of Sindh was married to his own sister. The humiliating defeat of this tyrannical and oppressive king was given today, on the 6th of Ramadan, by a 17-year-old Arab descendant Muhammad bin Qasim, the pain of which is still felt by Sindh nationalists. Perhaps the sisters still feel the pain of ending the marriage ceremony. The second great event, 223 Hijri 6, occurred in Ramadan, when a Muslim female prisoner from the city of Amuriya was subjected to persecution. She called the Caliph of that time, Mutasim Bala, as Wamutasima. A Muslim merchant was watching this scene. He went to Baghdad and told Mutasim Bala. Mutasim swore, "I will help this sister of mine." And he himself led the army and conquered Amuriya for 6 Ramadans. It is said that Amuriya was as important as Constantinople. That is, he was the backbone of the Crusader world. It is known that the believer conquers Sindh and can conquer Rome at the call of his sister, where are Muhammad bin Qasim and Mutasim, who conquered the country for the sake of their sister, and where is Raja Dahir, who imprisoned his own sister in the fort and married her, where are the conquerors of the country for the sake of the sister, and where to marry his own sister. Muhammad bin Qasim is only hurt by those who violate the sanctity of mother and sister. The third great event, 723 Hijri 6. Ramadan, the richest king in the world, Musa Mansa, started conquering many areas of Africa, and he performed Hajj the following year, and there were countless gold coins on the way. Gold was sold so often that the price of gold decreased.
If you like our video, then subscribe and share the channel.